Hi Chetan,
Hi, Rahim.
welcome to our YouTube channel. It's been 6 months we started our audit firm. So far it's going well. What's your initial expectation now? What's the reality you are facing now? Please share your experience.
First of all, hi, Mr. Rahim, and myself, Chetan Reddy. So, the basic thought of starting a CA firm, it's been started way back earlier. At the time of starting a CA itself, I have initial thought of why can't we be a self-employed instead of going for an employment. If you want to go for an employment, you can choose some other courses. So that's the initial thought of me to taking the course of CA. So that's my own expectation. Even when we were in Chennai, while pursuing our articleship, the thing I discussed with you, why can't we start a firm?
Right.
So that is the basic idea. It's been rooted way back. Not is a thing that is come in very just like that it didn't. So it's been way back. It rooted into me to start a CA firm. So when you have that idea to start a CA firm, what is your expectations and whether we reached our any reality, your perspective, what is the thing?
Yes, that's you put in a great way. Initially, I would like to start my business not only in CA. I want to start my consulting firm. So for that, I not having lack of funds. So initially for a year, I did a job in MNC.
Okay.
So I pull up some funds to start my practice. Even my parents are insisting me to why you are joining, why you starting your firm. So I have confidence in me. I would build a $1 billion business maybe in future, but
Hope for it.
definitely will do it. So initially I pull up the resources,
Okay.
money and skill wise everything I pulled up for a year. So I talk about you. If you remember, six
Yeah.
months back I told you maybe we have a dream to start the firm,
Yeah,
especially in
yeah.
Hyderabad. So I started the journey. So I pull up the resources, everything. So that's how it happened. Why I choose is I want to become independent. I don't want to be job seeker. That's the first reason I want to start my firm.
Yeah.
So I have a lot of doubts when I started the firm.
Mm.
But in fact, we got the bread and butter in the initial first month of
Agree, agree,
first
agree.
month of the our journey itself.
Mm.
That we started in June. It's been 6 months. It's
Mm.
going very well, and we are getting good amount. I won't say huge amounts, but we are competing with the people who are doing jobs presently. So how's the journey? What's the challenges you faced?
So it's a really great start. So journey, as you mentioned, you were already qualified 6 months earlier compared to me,
Right.
and you already worked in some MNC before starting a CFO.
Exactly.
The point with me, I just did my group 2 examination and just have a put an idea to you. Can we start a CFO? You simply said, okay, come on, we'll start. Just like that, we have an idea, but everyone will wait for the result and let him pass, and they will see some future. If they pass, they will go and they will start a firm. But the case with me, I just finished my group 2 exams and I just give a call to you. I don't want to waste the next 3 months because I'm too confident on I will clear. Why can't we do our basic networking things and all? So it will like a pre-opening for or pre-work for an upcoming CF firm. You immediately said, okay, I will resign to the job. We'll go for it. So that is my basic start. And you asked for the challenges. The biggest challenge I had at the time of beginning my firm, because I already step one, make a big step starting a CA firm without even qualifying. The basic thought every day that I had in my mind, what if I won't qualify? What if I have to go back and drop everything what we started, and you already committed to it, to entering into this? So that was the biggest challenge I had. The day the results came, the day I qualified, that's one of the best moment I had, and one of the biggest challenge. And the remaining challenges are nothing, because whatever organization, whatever business, everything we need to put our efforts and we need to put our sweat hours to make the thing successful. And we had a very beautiful strategy. I want to make you say that strategy. Come.
Yes. Yeah, I am confident enough. What you say, I repeat once again. I'm confident you will do it. That's why, without a doubt, I start the firm.
Yeah.
Yeah, the strategy you are talking about, the famous, I repeatedly say, a lot of people, a lot of my friends know about it.
It's been coined by you.
Yeah, it's a NRC strategy.
Mm.
N means networking, R means research, C for communication. Whole 6 months I have been worked on these strategies. I would say you also worked on that. N means networking. I have attended N number of networking firms, be it a startup fest in Bangalore and ICA events and a DAB event, a lot of peer review events conducted by the ICA.
Yeah.
So we met a lot of people. Even we play cricket. There we met a lot of our CA friends.
Yeah.
Through that we get a lot of opportunities also to grow in our career. And the research, I am interested in income tax and strategy consulting, everything. We are daily we are learning all the stuff and we are improving our skill sets in that whatever might be the path we are choosing. And coming to communication, one of the beautiful step I have chosen is Toastmaster Club.
Yeah.
It would be a game changer for me. Without that, I won't know. I would be speak like this. It's like how we study audit for 30 hours. This is the kind of stuff we need to put our extra effort we need to put to improve our communication skills. That's the same thing I did that time. Even I encourage my friend Chetan also, but he insisting me to do that. That's no problem. But we are growing well in the. I would encourage everyone to join that club to improve the communication because that is one of the biggest skill we are lacking as a chartered accountants. I would encourage everyone to improve that skill set.
That's the reason institute has started this orientation. These are the main things that we
Exactly, but
formed, right?
exactly.
In our course, right?
Exactly, but that not fulfill the 100% thing.
Might be.
Yeah, that's the reason. So far it's going well, and we are all these 6 months we are collaborating with the existing CF firms, and we are doing the.
I'll come back to the point.
Yes.
See, one of the most important strategies is very important for the chartered accountants who want to start a practice because already we face the 6 months. It will be a lot of experience. So, what are the struggles we already mentioned? The struggles will be mostly we don't have any new client at the beginning. We'll start with a zero. That is the biggest challenge. How we converted 0 into 1 is the biggest thing. From 1, it may multiply into number of ways, but it may take time, but it will multiply. It will have its own time. So how to create that 1 is the most important. At the beginning, you may feel very difficult, but one of the most important thing and one of the most successful strategy what we did is go to the existing CF firms and collaborate with them in the core area what you have. So my core area usually is internal audit because I've been worked a lot in this internal audit thing for the past 3 to 5 years. I worked there on the whole this thing we did it. So I made a representation to one of the leading firm in Hyderabad and we made it. And we made to the interview and we collaborated with them. Finally, we got a successful assignment so that it is basically a start for us.
Exactly.
So, initially, the 6 months, I've been working on soul and soul this internal audit assignment completely to generate some revenue. But other side, Rahim did an exceptional job, which is laid this foundation for the next 1 year or 2 years, whatever it is. But the first 6 months, we survived just because of this. Next 1 year will be survived because of what Rahim did. And he will say what he did.
Thank you, Chetan, for your kind words.
Thank you.
I would say what I did rather than what's our future plan is. Our main vision of the firm is by 2030 we need to build a strong consulting firm, multidisciplinary consulting firm. To achieve that we need cash flows. That's where we are working on our core competencies. I would say in another way. He is interested in internal audit. I am interested in income tax. So we want to earn our more revenues in that fields only. So I want to improve my skill set. I want to build expertise in income taxes. And a similar way, my friend, I want to improve the skill sets in internal audit. Through that, we'll build the brand what we are creating now.
Yeah.
With that, slowly we are embracing to reach the new heights with all your help, fellow friends, and all the colleagues who are believe in us will reach heights definitely. Thank you everyone.
And one more last
Final.
question. What is the purpose of starting this YouTube channel? And the name we coined is We Are Here, the Complaints Chronicle. Just like Deccan Chronicle, we started this. So what is the sole motive? Because the thought just came a day before. And we started just like that. I don't know where it will end, but we started. As you gave some most important quote,
Yes, repeat.
successful plan is not important. The most important part is
Failed action.
yes. Failed action is more important than successful plan. It's a
That's
beautiful
all.
quote. That's why we started. Even though the way we did, I don't know how what is the outcome, but even we want to start, we started it. The main motive is, and what we want to achieve this channel is, it's just a complaints chronicle. Complaints chronicle is nothing but, so there is a lot of complaints we will be going through each and every day, and a lot of notification circulars and a lot of news been going on. So what we want to give, what other channels, and there's nothing like that. What is the X factor in this? The only one thing we want to achieve is, what are the notifications and what is the new updates in the law, and we'll give it in a most easy way. It like a some comedy video or whatever it is, to make a reach to the public in a most easy manner, instead of many people suggest to listen compared to read. So we will make for you. That's the only sole motive for creating a PRCR Complaints Chronicle.
Exactly. This is the first step, and we are hoping to reach new heights. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you once again.
Thank you.